Today we're in Malta. We are pleased to talk about Rukia and Malta Murino.
So the AEM for the first time in Malta has been a great success, astounding, the best ever, throbbing with people, throbbing with enthusiasm, throbbing with fun, throbbing with academic activity. People are going home with so many take-home messages. And part of that story is the beautiful relationship we have with Royal. Royal have been a sterling company. They supply us with the best of models and the enthusiasm of a truly professional.
Well, it's very hard to follow that. And you get to the top of the pile like these two. You know, for me, this is the best meeting I ever been to. Every level of the equipment, organisation, the hospitality, the place, so many people's eyes are open to it. It's unbelievable. So all I could say, I'll say, I'll be next.
Yes, we will be next.
Thank you to Aurelia.
Thank you.